Now we are going to understand the standard operating procedure what we follow at dispatch. So we need to understand the PPEs, what are all required at the time of loading, what are the safety issues that we need to wear at the time of loading. We need to understand the vehicle, we need to understand the parking, we need to have the tire stoppers so that we are avoiding the movement of the trolley, movement of the truck. You can see here the stoppers. Next, L bracketing system to be used should be covered with the rubber and foam pads. Rubber pads should always be used. Keep bottom of the glass on rubber pads, avoiding glass on the iron bars or any steel structure. You can see in the figures the glass is resting on the rubber pads. Jumbo glass loading to be done with the zip cranes to avoid human injuries. You can see here with the help of zip cranes the jumbo glass are getting lifted. And for a higher thickness glasses, always use more interleavings. If required, you can even go for a thermocol packing so that you are maintaining a proper gap between the glasses. You can see here in the figure the glasses are getting packed with thermocol interleaving. Next, glasses to have uniform stacking, and the stacking should be at 3 to 7 degree angle. And we should make sure that the edges of the glass are always protected with the cartoons. And between the glasses we should always use a cork interleaving or rubber separator or a thermocol. We should make sure that there is a stabilization of the glass and the vehicle. Load uniform sizes and equal amount of load both sides of the truck using wood with rubber separator. Next, we need to understand the balancing of the truck. We should not keep on loading on the one side of the truck and leaving the other. There should be always a uniform balancing of the loading inside the truck. We should also see that how we are packing and tying the glasses and the vehicle. So we should use ratchet belt or nylon rope or cotton rope so that there is no movement of the glasses, and the glasses are stacked at L angle. Next one is we need to make sure that during the rainy season the glasses are covered with a tarpaulin. Now we are going to see the quality checks what we do at dispatch. So when a vehicle arrives, we need to see first vehicle inspection. We need to check the condition of the truck, body of the frame, FCDU, driver license, pollution under control certificates, all these things in order to have a smooth delivery to the customer. Next, we need to ensure the parking. Before loading into the truck, make sure that the truck have parked in gear position with the parking brake. Tire stoppers. Ensure stoppers is placed beneath the tires to prevent the movement of the truck. L bracket setting. L bracket should be covered with rubber foam pads. Rubber pads. Keep bottom of the glass on rubber pads. Avoid keeping the glass on iron bars or any steel structure. When you are doing a jumbo glass loading with zip crane, use vacuum zip loader if necessary for jumbo glass safe loading into the vehicle. Make sure the vacuum cups are silicone free, perfectly clean. Spirit or glass cleaner can be used to clean the suckers, which we can avoid vacuum cup marks on the glass. Ensure that the vacuum chucks are functioning well and are holding the glass properly. For higher thickness glass, higher thickness separators. For jumbo panels or thicker glasses loading, use thermocol or higher thick separators. Use as interleaving to maintain a proper gap between the glass to glass. Glass uniform stacking. Always store the glass vertically at 3 to 7 degree angle. Edge protection. Place the coating in contact with a rough surface or hard objects. Edge protection. Do not place the coating in contact with the rough surfaces or hard objects. Coated face should be facing inside always. Cork separators. Use mild sticky cork pads at edges of the glass, which will provide the glass to glass contact to minimize the abrasion free. Stabilization. Load uniform sizes and equal amount of load both the sides of the truck using wood with rubber separators. Balancing truck. Do balance loading. Do not overload all the glasses at one side. Do partial load either left hand side or right hand side. Safe secure tiring. Use ratchet belt or nylon rope or cotton rope for tiring, ensuring edges are covered with the packing material. L-type carton board, cartoon board or rubber pads, bubble packing. Rainwater protection, use tarpaulin if necessary during rainy seasons. And whatever we have discussed so far, we are incorporating in our final inspection report. It says, first the customer name, the order details, the destination, the project name, the dispatch quantity, the work order quantity, transporter, vehicle number, the description of the material, whether it is an annealed glass or a toughened glass or a laminated glass or a double glazing unit, whether the glass is having any scratches or chipping or back support is properly provided, coating, any coating defect is there, pinholes are there, glasses are as per drawing, sizes are verified. If it is a double glazing unit, primary sealant, secondary sealing, all these are checked in the final inspection. Next we check the condition, whether it is, next we will be checking the packing system, open packet dispatch or a trade packing dispatch. We are also ensuring what is the separator we are using, whether it is a button separator or a paper separator, how the loading pattern is happened, that is from bigger to smaller, what type of cushioning is given to glass, how we are going to tie the glass, belt or rope, polythene is covered or not, back support is given or not, wood stabilization is given or not. All this we are ensuring at the time of packing. As we have discussed, we are even recording the truck conditions, whether it is a half body or full body, wood flooring or iron flooring, capacity in tonnage, floor condition, tarpaulin, angle, vertical and horizontal strapping. And as per the observer, whether the loading is very good or fair, bad, photos whether I have taken or not, quantity is verified as per the invoice, QC is tested, all we are incorporating in the final inspection report. Now this is the final dispatch area where we are going to एक ही बार में पूरा ऐसे उड़ाता हूँ पूरा पकड़ देता हूँ. Now this is the final inspection. The glasses which are ready are getting loaded into the vehicle. So if you see, they are placing L racks or L angles so that the position or the slanting of the glass is at 3 to 7 degrees centigrade, and in between the glasses they are keeping a separator interleaving. They are giving bottom as well as side support with the help of jolly boards. Always we need to make sure that first the bigger panels are loaded, then the smaller panels are loaded, and we need to maintain the balance of the glasses. We need to see the floor condition of the vehicle also. And always we need to have the balancing of the vehicle. So one side first we need to Once the glass are loaded on the left, then we should load on the right, then again left, again right. We need to maintain the balance of the vehicle. लास्ट क्लास देखिए. Okay. That also you take. Inside vehicle you go. You can see all the glasses are stacked as per the dimensions and as per the sizes, and in between the glasses you can able to find the separator which acts as the interleaving. And you can see they are applying these cardboards to protect the edges of the glass, and you can see this thing also, the bottom support also they are giving with the rubber cushioning. Thank you.